the employment part, right? We wrote it till here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll just wait for 1 more minute, then we'll start. Okay, good evening, Halima. I hope you are doing good. Halima, am I audible? Halima, can you hear me? Sana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think Halima is facing some network issues. Okay. So now today we are going to do the multiplier, investment multiplier basically. Okay. So now coming to the multiplier, investment multiplier, it's in two forms. One is your forward working multiplier and one is your backward working. Okay, so we have two multiplier, forward working and the backward working. So first of all, we will discuss forward working multiplier. So this is basically investment multiplier we are talking about. Okay, so if with increase in investment, income increases multiple times, it is known as forward working of multiplier. Clear? So because of investment, if your income is multiplying multiple times, that is a forward working multiplier. Okay. Then multiplier work on simple theory. More the consumption expenditure, more will be the income generation. So basically, over here we are relating income and your investment, right? But when your income will be high, that means when your income will be high, when you will do more expenditure on consumption. Okay, so this is the theory of multiplier worker. Then the multiplier process work on the basis. First, investment generate income. Income should be there. And next, additional income cause the change in consumption. Okay. Then change in consumption depends on your MPC. Okay. Additional consumption expenditure generate additional income for produce of goods and services. This produce keeps repeating till the total income in the increase in income equals the product of the multiplier and change in investment. So change in income is equals to K is basically the investment multiplier and delta I is basically change in investment. So your income, how will you change your income? It depends on your investment multiplier multiply by whatever money was being changed. Like whatever there was a change in the investment. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you are going to do? You are going to write first working of investment multiplier. Over here, they just wrote multiplier. Just write investment multiplier. Okay. And then it's in two parts. One is your forward. So first of all, you will do forward working multiplier. The first definition till here. Okay. Wait. This.
Ma'am, only the first line, right?
Ma'am, only till working of multiplier, right?
No. After that, you will write this point. Okay. And after that, this. The multiplier poses works on this basis. These are the bases on which multipliers works. Okay. The entire thing till here.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Halima, you are also done? I think Halima is facing network issues today. Okay. Now we will be doing the investment multiplier. Okay. So the way we did money multiplier, like the money creation, similarly the investment. So assuming that additional investment is rupees 20 crore. Okay. And your MPC is 0.5. So this work like this. It is time period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So change in income is 20, and of course it will remain same because your income over investment, change in investment, it is 20, 10. This is your income, which is basically what is income is reducing. Okay, and this is your consumption, 10, 5, 2.5. What I told you over here, when your income over this, more the consumption expenditure, more will be the income generation. So what is happening over here? Consumption is decreasing. So what will happen? Less will be the income, right? Clear? And this is change in savings. So basically, this is not saving. This is basically change. Okay, change means like, for example, earlier it was 20, now it is 10. So what is the change? It is 10, like this. So this change in investment will remain same because investment is autonomous. Change in income 20, 10, 5, 2.5, and consumption 10, 5, 2.5, 1.5, and savings 10, 5, 2.5, and 1.5. So you have to remember this. With this consumption, you can find this. So it is like 10, and then it is like 20 minus 10, it is 10, 20 minus 10, it is 10, and then 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 2.5 is 2.5, 2.5 is this, like this. Okay. Halima, can you hear me now? Okay, I think some network issues. So this is your basically the, you have to remember all those things. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. After this, see. The multiplier processes keeps repeating till the additional income generated is rupees 40 crore. So in total, we have to find it. So K is your multiplier. So the formula is 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Okay. So what is your MPC? Basically, MPC you already know. It is 1.0.5. 1 minus 0.5 MPC. MPC, what is the formula for MPC? Tell me.
Oh, yes, ma'am. C by Y.
So over here, C and Y. So 10 upon 20, right? So when you will divide it, what you will get? 0.5.
Yes.
Yes. So delta C upon delta income. So you got 0.5. So this is a formula for K. So over here, you wrote this, but now you have to find this one. You have to find total income, total consumption, expenditure, and this. So the formula is K equals to 1 upon N minus C. So 1 upon 1 minus 0.5 MPC you have to find. Then you got 2. So your K is 2. Okay. So now this is again the formula delta Y. Now you have to find the delta Y. Yes, you have to find this. So how you will find it? The formula is you have to multiply. See, the formula is delta I multiply by K. Okay. So what is your delta I? Delta I is same. You know, it is 20, right? Multiply by what is your K? It was 2.
2.
So
Yes.
what is your delta Y? It is 40 crore. So 40 crore you already know. If it is 40, this will be 20 and this will be 20. Clear?
Yes.
Right? Because when your income is equals to consumption plus savings, right? This one,
Yes.
if you remember, right? So this
Yes.
is what. So what you can do, if you know this, these two, so you can totally find this one, right? So these are same 10, 5, 2.5, 1.25, 10, 5, 2.5, 1.5. So 10 and 10, 20, 5 and 5, 10, 2.5, 2.5, like this.
Yes.
Okay, 1.5 this, you got this. So this is how you are going to represent this. So now first of all, you will just write this down, like draw this table, very, very important. They will ask you with the help of things, just find out the investment multiplier on your own. So this is what you are going to do over here. So I'll just zoom it a little bit. Okay, now you can do in here what you will do. First of all, you will write this formula. Then you will put over here, you will write delta income equals to delta I multiply by K. And then you will put the other formula. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it down. Then we'll do the other things.
Done, ma'am.
Now we are going to represent this with the help of diagram. So this is your ADAS. Okay, you already know what is AD is. You already know it is C plus I, and AS you already know it is Y plus
Right.
this. So This is your graphical representation. This is going up. This is your AS and this is your AD. Okay. And with this, when your investment is changing, right? So at that time, it is being increasing. Okay.
Yes.
So it will be this. And this is what. So this is a diagrammatic representation of multiplier. The concept of investment multiplier can be N. See, economy is an equilibrium at point E. This, right? Then it corresponds to the level of OM of level at equal. So this is basically OM level of equilibrium you are achieving. Then with additional investment, if you will do additional investment, then your equilibrium will shift to E1. Okay.
Yes.
And even correspond to OM, one level of income at equilibrium. Equilibrium income increases from OM to OM dash, OM1. Okay, it was earlier OM, now it is increasing to OM1. The additional income M1 is greater than the additional investment this or this. So why it is greater? Why your this part is greater? Due to investment multiplier. If there is no investment multiplier, your economy will rule over here itself. But due to investment multiplier, it increase and now you are not working over this point, you are working over this point. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will draw the graph and you will write this.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, I think both of you done. So let's just start with the next point, which is your backward working multiplier. So what is this? If with the fall in investment, there is a multiple time decrease in income. So it is totally opposite. Okay. It was with increase in investment, there was increase. Now it is if with the fall of investment, there is a multiple time decrease in income. It is called backward working of multiplier. Clear? So just write it down, then we'll do the rest of the things.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this is basically the backward working. So over here in a backward, what is happening? Earlier, you were like this was the situation. You were achieving your equilibrium over here, right? But now you will achieve your equilibrium downward, right? So for example, investment decreased from 100 crore and multiplier is 2. Then income will finally decrease from this, right? So this is a diagrammatic representation where E is the point, and after that, when there is a decrease, then you are going to E1. This is the explanation. Clear? So it is a backward one. So basically, in exam, you get question from forward one, not from the backward one. But yeah, in case if they ask you, so this is the thing. Okay.
Yes. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, these are the characteristics of multiplier. Okay, so ma'am, what are the characteristics of multiplier? First, multiplier works in both forward and backward direction. Okay. Second, there is a positive relationship between MPC and the multiplier. Okay. So higher the level of MPC, higher will be the value of multiplier. Lower the value of MPC, lower will be the value of multiplier. Okay, write this down. You don't need to write it down because you already know what is forward working and what is backward working. So write characteristics of multiplier, first point, second point, and the explanation of second point.
Done.
Okay. Now, next point. There is an inverse relationship between MPS and the value of multiplier. Higher the value of MPS, lower will be the value of multiplier, and lower the value of MPS, higher will be the value of multiplier. Okay. So just write it down. Third point. Fourth point we'll discuss in next class.
Fourth point, only one point is there.
Third one. Fourth one, no.
I mean,
It's,
fourth.
yeah, fourth
So
one we need
long.
to explain. Yeah, I need to explain it. So that's why it will take time.
Okay, this household and Yes, same book only.
Yeah, we did it in aggregate demand chapter, right? Household, producer, government, and rest of the world. The import and export. So this is from there itself. So we'll do that. Just write the third point right now. Okay.
Okay.